Hi, this is a demo of how to use voice messaging on LinkedIn. It's a lesser known feature, but it has high impact. So I thought it'd be a great one to share with you so that you can start to have a play with this and experiment and check out the value for yourself. So in order to use voice messaging in the messaging feature on LinkedIn, you need to go in through the LinkedIn app on your phone, which I've done, and I'm recording it here on Zoom. So it's super easy for you guys to follow. So while I'm in the app, I enter into messaging, which is at the top right. I start a new message, and I'd already started to have a bit of a practice with this, with sending a message to Michelle Sokolich, who is a video producer with her own business, Show and Tell, and this is a good person to demonstrate this with. So I did one earlier, so let's have another go. So now that I'm in the messaging platform here on LinkedIn, I could normally just type away and do a message if I do that. You can see me doing some typing up there with the address, or I could go into the message and do some typing. But no, we don't have to do that anymore. We can send a voice recording. So in order to do that, you'll see there's a little microphone to the right-hand side of write a message. So if I click on that and hold it down with my finger, now I can send a message. So I'm going to go, hi, Michelle, Kate Nankerville here. Hey, look, I'm demonstrating how to use the voice messaging tool on LinkedIn for the people who get my email newsletter. And I thought you'd be a great person to send a sample message to. I hope you and your family are well. And I look forward to hearing from you once you've listened to this message. Have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to talking soon. Bye. Once you've done that, you'll see a little prompt comes up that says send voice message. Click on send, and then that sends the voice message through. And that's as easy as, or as hard as it is, or as easy to do as it is. And now you've sent a voice message. I really encourage you to try this, because the cut through that these voice messages have is really high. If you've been sending the written messages or the typed messages up till now, you're probably getting a variable level of response. But what you can do with these voice messages is you get cut through, because you can be super personable, bring the skills that you have that you developed by using the phone in business to this great tool here on LinkedIn. So have fun, have a play with it, and let me know how you get on, because I love hearing stories from people who start to make use of this. And I've had lots of great replies. I've had people ask to have meetings, had business created from this. So go get stuck in, have a play, and do send me a message and let me know how you get on. Thanks, and that's the end of my demo from Kate at Force of Nature.